In this video, we will discuss about how to resolve the dependency directly in the action method. Let's assume we have to use this iProduct repository service in other controller. The situation is we have to use this service in one single action method. Now, let's open this student controller. Inside this controller, let's add simple action method. I am going to copy this getName method from this product controller and paste it over here. Here in the route URL, give a meaningful name to avoid ambiguity error. Inside this action method, I want to use this same repository. Instead of resolving the dependency in the constructor of the student controller, we can resolve it directly in the action method. Let's see how we can do that. In ASP.NET Core, we have to learn about attributes to resolve the dependency directly in the action method. Here, we can use from service attribute. Inside this getName method, use square bracket. Within this square bracket, we have to write from services attribute. Now we have to specify the type of the service. Here type is iProduct repository. Now so copy this and paste it over here. This is how we can resolve the dependency directly in the action method. This service is available only for this action method. If you are resolving the dependency in the constructor of the controller, then we can use that service in all the action methods. For some other reasons like security reason, if you don't want to use this repository for all other action methods, then you want to use it for only for this single action method, then you can resolve it by using this from services attribute. Now save and run this application. See the base route here. In the URL we have to append API and then controller name. Copy this from here and open a Postman. Here already we are in get method. Okay, paste the URL and append it with API and then student, then name. Click the send button here. Here we got the output. This is how we can resolve the dependency directly in the action method. Thanks for watching this video.